Hi, in this video 5.7 I'm going to be dividing, but in this number we're going to be having a remainder. This number is not an exact multiple of the divisor. So we're going to start off by reading it backwards, starting with the words how many 8s are there in 662. So I start by how many 8s are there in 6, and 8 does not go into 6. So I'm now looking at these two digits. How many 8s are there in 66? Well, I know 8 8s are 64, which means that we've got a remainder of 2. So I'll bring my remainder over here. Now we've got how many 8s are there in 22? Well, I know 3 8s are 24 and 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16, this would leave us with a remainder of 6. So my first answer is that the answer is 82 remainder 6. Now I'm going to show you another method below which deals with the remainder but gives a decimal remainder. So it's the same method as before. How many 8s are there in 6? None. How many 8s are there in 66? 8 8s are 64. There's a remainder of 2. How many 8s are there in 22? Well, 2 8s are 16. Now this is where they differ. I'm going to extend that line there. I'm going to put a decimal point above and below the line, and I'm going to add some zeros. Adding these zeros after the decimal point doesn't change the value of the number. So there are 2 8s in 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. So now I ask myself, how many 8s are there in 60? Well, there are 7 8s in 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. There's a remainder of 4. Here, how many 8s are there in 40? And there are 5. So the answer with a decimal remainder is 82.75, and the answer with a number remainder is 6.